Hi, this is the Moto G73 and I'll show you how to edit notification banner shortcuts on this device. So first let's open the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon and scroll down to this down section. Here we'll see this down section with invisible options, and if you want to add them to the panel, we should just hold them and drag them to this up section. To remove some of the options from here by the same way, we should hold the icon and drag it to this down section. And if you want to change the positions of the icons on the panel, we should just hold it and drag it. To save the changes, let's click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.